I got this freezer because I needed some extra freezer space. I have a small freezer. It's quite compact, works really well. Put a little Spartan Race sticker right there just to hype it up a little more. Got a plug right there on the sides, on the back. Good size freezer. You got your temperature changer down there. You got your dog right here. You got your drain plug in case it gets frost inside, if it gets too crazy in there. It's a light unit. I say it's probably a little more than 50 pounds. Quite light for a big freezer like this. It has a 3.5 cubic feet. We got different food. My main concern was being able to put a bag of ice in there. I can easily fit a nice bag of ice down there. And plenty more stuff as well. Got some frozen fruit. Nice pack. It's a good size, man. You can fill this thing up all the way to the top. Got a cool cover to keep everything nice and frozen. I put it on hardwood, but I'm sure you can put it on any surface. You just look in the Amazon description, different reviews, they tell you about this unit. Mine came undamaged, which I was very happy about. I was worried it would come damaged since such a long shipping and all that. But if yours does come damaged, Amazon is really good about returning products and getting your money back. And I know it's a heavy unit, so you can actually have UPS pick it up from your front door. You just put it back in the box, put the shipping label bag, go on Amazon, get the return. But mine came undamaged, which I was really happy about. I was really worried that it would come damaged, but it looks nice and clean. Look at that shit. Shiitake mushrooms. Anyways, guys, been Amazon Real Reviews. Thank you for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video.